The anti-aging treatments which patients are generally going to be looking for in 2026 is going to be more of regenerative medicine and less of injectables, which is basically helpful and which in the long run will give them better results. So the treatments which basically I would recommend for that is something called as PDRN treatment or the polynucleotides, which we do in our clinic. And definitely, this is derived from salmon sperm DNA and it gives absolutely wonderful results, especially as far as hydration of the skin is concerned, as far as brightening of the skin is concerned. It basically helps you give that lovely, refreshed look. So, the next treatment, which I think would be trending in 2026, is the exosome treatment. Now, exosomes can be used for hair as well as for skin, and they are primarily messengers which help in stimulating the hair follicle as far as hair growth is concerned or hair fall is concerned. And in skin, it basically goes and sits on the receptors and stimulates it to work well. So it can be used as a treatment for pigmentation, for wrinkle treatment, for hydration, and to give that glow which most patients are looking for. The next treatment which I can think of, which would be really very helpful, would be something like a dermapen treatment, which is microneedling treatment. Now, this can be combined with exosomes also, or with PRP treatment. So, what you're having is those tiny needles which help in the penetration of the exosomes or the PRP better. So, in order to get better results.